Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our brake pedal pad. Let's make our way underneath the driver's side dash to the brake pedal. Now this is just a rubber pad. It's sitting on a plate of metal. To easily remove this, you can use a small screwdriver or even a pick. Sometimes you can even use your fingers, but you might pinch yourself. Safety first. I'm just going to come from the back side and I'm going to try to peel it off. If you were to look at the back of the new pad, you can see exactly what I'm going to do. I'll come in between here, gently pry it off, easy peasy. There it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new brake pedal pad. The plate itself needs to fit up inside the grooves all the way around. You can start from any position you want, generally from one corner, and then start making your way across. Let's put it right up and over here, making sure as I feel along the backside, I'm not going to pinch my fingers. I just want to make sure the rubber is going over the plate. Now that I have it over on the far end, I'm just going to carefully get my fingers back here, once again being very careful for any pinch points. I'll just gently stretch it right over the plate and make sure it's completely situated. You want to make sure it's not falling off on any of the corners or even the sides. This is super important for safety. Okay friends, it's fully on there. Last thing you want to do is safely test it with your foot and then reconfirm that it hasn't slid or moved in any way. Perfect.